St Kilda is a remote island group in the Atlantic Ocean. It bears remains of more than 2,000 years of human occupation. In the harsh environment of the open sea, life of the St Kildans depended on birds, agriculture and sheep. This way of life lasted until the early part of the last century, when more frequent contact with the outside world led to decline and eventual exodus in 1930. Visiting St Kilda is possible by boat. Frequent trips depart from the Isle of Harris. Gliding at high speed along the rugged landscape of Harris prepares for the things to come. The closer to St Kilda, the more frequent are typical travel companions like gannets, also heading for the island.
The very first thing, obviously, is we have the highest sea cliffs in Britain.
The islands of St Kilda are remains of an ancient volcano, associated with the birth of the Atlantic Ocean. Protected from the sea, human settlements are located in Village Bay, on Herta, the largest of the islands. Round structures, the so-called clates, were used for storage and are found all over the island. St Kilda is home to one of the largest seabird colonies in the North Atlantic Ocean, particularly for gannets, puffins and fulmars. Over 1 million birds use the islands during peak breeding season. The St Kildans avoided fishing, but relied on bird products for survival. They ventured out to the islands by rowing boat. Harvesting the eggs and birds involved not only climbing the precipitous cliffs, but also longer stays on the sea stacks. Success during the harvesting season was crucial for the survival of the St Kildans. Seeing the birds and where they are living leaves one in admiration of nature and of the people that once lived in this spectacular and unique place. Heading back home, one wonders what it was like when the St Kildans saw their home disappear in the clouds. Thanks for watching.